Hey friends, today we're making seed bead mosaics using tin can bezels and a selection of beautiful beads from John Bead. John Bead has an incredible selection of Czech glass seed beads, and their Czech glass bead boxes are filled with an amazing selection of beads to choose from. I'm never disappointed. The first thing you'll need to do is cut apart your tin can and flatten it with a hammer. Make sure to wear gloves and use heavy-duty tin shears. Using a permanent marker, draw your bezel shape and then cut around it, adding an 1/8 of an inch edge. You can draw these in any shape. Make tiny 1/8 inch slits around the curves and then take flat nosed pliers and bend the 1/8 inch edge upward to create your bezel. By the way, you can use a pre-made bezel, but I wanted my mosaics to be a bit bigger for more impact. Micro-mosaics, originating in 18th century Rome, involved creating miniature, highly detailed images by arranging tiny glass rods called filati into putty, often used for jewelry and famously as souvenirs for travelers on the Grand Tour. They were developed by Vatican artisans around 1727 to replicate large-scale paintings. This intricate art form flourished in the 19th century with pieces featuring thousands of tiny tesserae per square inch. Once you have your bezels, you want to pick out some beads for your mosaic. This is the secret to making seed bead mosaics. You want to get some 2-part epoxy resin clay. This has a set time of about 2 hours, so you have plenty of time to make your mosaic before it hardens. Mix equal parts of the clay. You'll need enough to coat the entire bezel up to the 1/8 inch wall or very close to it. I'm starting by adding my larger beads to the clay, and then I'll work around them with the seed beads. Add your beads to a beading needle and carefully press a row of beads into the clay. Here I'm starting with metallic gold to create sections. The micro-mosaic craft reached its height in the mid-19th century, with production extending beyond the Vatican to independent workshops in Rome. Next, I'm filling in the sections with a size 8 seed bead mix. John Bead has the best mixes. I have been beading since I was a kid, and I love their bead mixes. Here I'm adding silver-lined blue beads in the next section. Keep adding beads until your bezel is filled. If you want to work with less seed beads, just add a few more larger beads from the Czech bead box mixes. For this large oval bezel, I'm using big red beads with black bar beads. You can plan out your design or just see what happens. Either way, they always look interesting and beautiful. High-quality 18 to 22 karat gold mounted brooches and pendants, especially those featuring fine scenic or floral known as micro-mosaico filato, can range from thousands to tens of thousands of dollars, and I've even seen one on First Dibs for $350,000. When the clay is dry, I like to go around the edge of my bezel and check for any sharp spots, and then sand them down with my Dremel. You can add a bail on the back for a pendant necklace, or glue a bar pin on the back for a very in-style brooch. Try different patterns and styles like I did here with this seed bead mosaic necklace. Let me know what you think in the comments and what you might do with a micro mosaic piece like we made today.
I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want inspiration that I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you real soon. Bye, everybody.